Sarap! Luto din tayo ng atay at saka puso ng manok. Yun o, di ba inadobo natin? Yan. Papo, kakain na tayo. Meron tayo ditong chicken. Yun o. Tsaka meron tayo ditong cucumber. Yun. At the same time, meron tayo ditong atay ng manok. Tikman muna natin yung atay ng manok na niluto ni Mrs. Sarap. Spicy again.
Maybe you put a lot of pilpil, Shako.
A little bit spicy.
9. A little bit spicy.
Then,
Mas maanghang ka ba? It's Daniel's fault. Lonnie.
it's spicier than this one.
What?
The fault of,
This one.
it's the fault of your employer. Your pasaway for employer.
Pasaway.
And who's the one that helped? Put it. Added extra ingredients of yourself.
I put kitsat like this and then pilpil Shako. It's hot. It's
No, I have to
spicy.
get Sudani. My mom.
Well, we don't have Sudani.
No. My mother yesterday warned you, take a plate wherever you go.
What?
My mother warned them yesterday because we always put spice in his food. So my mother said, take the plate wherever you go.
Or you don't have the sweet sauce, chili sauce.
Meron pala dito mga kapapo yun, oh.
I have in the fridge.
Beef.
I have chili sauce.
It's sweet, nakon. Chili sauce, but
I have
sweet.
chili sauce in the fridge. Yeah.
But sweet.
Yeah.
Sarap.
I have chili sauce in the fridge.
Wow.
Akin yan. Yung
Sa
taba.
kanya daw.
Wala na akong taba eh.
Sarap.
Malambot.
Don't worry, that's not spicy because Julia's eating from it.
Ken. Only this two is spicy.
Now I'm gonna eat the bone.
There is a bone?
No, Jiboy's gonna eat the bone.
Ang anghang pa naman ah.
No, the whole piece, one. Look.
You said it is spicy, but you are eating and eating and eating.
Yeah,
What did I do?
What can I do?
Julia just put a lot in it now.
No.
Next time,
In the mug.
Daniel, next time I will buy Sudani.
Chicken? And then? Patay ng manok?
I also will.
I don't know where to buy. If I will go to train station, maybe in Tel Aviv na kon, hahaga na.
Any spice bro?
I cannot find in Tel Aviv, in Merkasit.
No.
I go down in Hahagana. I want to go to Merkas.
I'll get it from here. I mean here.
It's hot, odd. That's why from Hahagana, I go to take a minute.
Yan mga kapapo.
They took what's it called?
Mamaya na ulit tayo. Kain na kami. Kaya maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Sarap.
Bye.
Wala.